Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing what I have inside my mini EDC pouch. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. Isn't this pouch so cute? So this looks like a Longchamp pouch, but it's not. It's from Amazon. And they offer several colors. This is the purple. So this pouch is much more affordable than the Longchamp version, and it has the same features. There's a leather tab here. I'm not sure if it's real leather. It has gold hardware, and around here it says original. And this pouch looks really small, but don't underestimate the amount it can hold. She is small but mighty. And this is what it looks like inside. EDC stands for Everyday Carry, and this is just a pouch I would bring with me every day, and inside the pouch are just in case items. So in addition to this, I always bring my cell phone, a portable charger, my car keys and house keys if I need that. And on my house keys, there's a flashlight and a letter opener. I also bring my wallet, and sometimes I bring pepper spray. I also bring tissues and hand sanitizer. So I only open this pouch if I need something when I'm on the go. First item I have is this Ultima electrolytes. This is the pink lemonade flavor and it's delicious. Next I have my favorite nail cutter. This is the Mr. Green nail cutter, and I love how flat it is. It's really sharp as well. It has a nail file on this side. It also comes with a little key ring, so you can put that on your keys if you wanted to. And next I have a mini shaver, and this is great to have just in case. You can shave your mustache with this. Next I have some matches. In survival EDC kits, it's great to have a fire starting kit, but for an urban setting, let's say in the event you go to a birthday party and they don't have a lighter, you can come to the rescue. And next I have Ricola. This is great to have if you have a dry throat. And next I have my multi-tool, of course. All of my EDC pouches have a multi-tool in it. This one has a blade, a nail file, a little screwdriver. It has scissors, and this is my most used. There's also a toothpick. And on this side, tweezers. I love how compact this is, and it's very useful as well. And this also has a key ring if you want to put it on your keys. Okay, and I have a doggy poop bag. This is great if you have trash or if you get nauseous. Tylenol, always good to have just in case. And I have my tiny Burt's Bees chapstick. There's not much in here, but it's great for on the go. This is one I've used. Let me see. So that's about it. For me, this does last a while, so this is good to have. And then I have a sewing kit here, has different color threads, a safety pin, needle. This is great to have if you lose a button or if you have a hole in your shirt. A hair tie and a bobby pin, good to have just in case you have a lot of hair, you need to put your hair back. And a bobby pin is good to have to pull your hair back and to pick a lock. Let's see what else. I have a tampon just in case. And then I have a towelette disc. And all you do with this is unwrap it, add some water, and it becomes a washcloth. Just be mindful with this. Some people might think this is candy. And I have Colgate Wisp. This has toothpaste in it, and then you can pick your teeth with that. I have floss and a cotton swab. Next, I have a little claw clip. Isn't that cute? This came in a set of 4, I believe. And I have a basic first aid kit. And in here, I have a cotton ball, a Purell hand sanitizer. These are the singles. An alcohol prep pad. Triple antibiotic ointment, and then different size band-aids. A first aid kit is definitely great to have in your handbag. And I have soap sheets here. I just have a few. And this is what it looks like. These are great if you ever go to a restroom and they don't have soap. Just make sure you don't touch the soap sheets with wet hands. Otherwise, they will clump up together. And there's more in here. I have a shout wipe. This is a great stain remover. And I have my favorite baby wipe. This is made with purified water and there's no scent, so it's great for sensitive skin. And then I have travel wipe. These are alcohol. And last item in here is a panty liner. So all of that fit in here. It's like a little clown car. There was definitely space for more. Let's say you wanted to use this bag just for the day. You can put your card in here, your lipstick, chapstick, your car and house keys. And there's still more room. So if you wanted to put, let's say, a basic EDC kit, you can put that in there. And then just close it up. Just like that. And there's still room if you wanted to put some Ricola, a tampon, hair tie. The only thing with this is there's no way to put a keychain on here unless you have something really small. Maybe something like this. And you can put it through this little hole. Hopefully you guys can see that. If you had a longer one, you can turn this into a wristlet, or you can add grommets on the little pull tabs. And let's say, let's take this out. If you wanted to put your AirPods in there, that fits and it closes. You could also use this as a makeup pouch or a little catch-all. This is a great size, and I love all of the fun colors that are available. You could even turn this into a little hydration pouch. Just put all of your hydration packets in there and tea bags. So many ways you can use this cute little pouch. Let's put everything back in. And I love how customizable EDCs are. If you take medication, you can put your supply in there. My mom loves bringing those little Purell singles so she could put her stash in here. Just get creative. There's no right or wrong way to pack an EDC pouch. And if you don't like calling this an EDC pouch, you can refer to it as a just-in-case pouch, an emergency kit. But I always have one with me, and I always bring one for travel as well. So there you go, you guys. That is everything in this pouch. You can see on the sides here, there's a little more space, so you can shove things down in there, like a perfume, more cough drops. But I encourage you guys to build your own EDC kit. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite EDC item is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!